Inheriting a property can be a mixed blessing. On one hand, it's a valuable asset. But on the other hand, especially when a home hasn't had upkeep for years, it can quickly turn into a burden. I'm Sid Hamid, the founder of BRICKFRONT Properties and Construction, and I help executors and heirs sell inherited properties, especially those that have seen better days, quickly and hassle-free. Many inherited homes have been neglected, often for years, leaving the heirs with costly repairs and a long to-do list before they can even think about selling. From outdated plumbing to damaged roofs and everything in between, the idea of fixing up these homes can be overwhelming. Here's the good news: you don't have to do any of that. I specialize in buying properties just like this as is, so you don't need to spend a dime on repairs or renovations. Whether the property has been vacant for years, needs major updates, or is simply in poor condition, I'm here to help you sell it quickly and easily. I understand this is an emotional time. Losing a loved one is hard enough without the stress of managing a property sale, especially one that requires extensive repairs. That's why I offer a simple, straightforward process. I'll make you a fair cash offer for the home, no matter what shape it's in, and handle all the details so you don't have to. If you're dealing with an inherited property that's in need of repairs, don't let it become a burden. Reach out to me today on 240-679-8078 or 301-900-3109, and let's talk about how we can make this process as smooth and stress-free as possible. I'm just a call or click away. Contact me today for a free consultation and learn how you can sell your inherited property quickly without any of the hassle.